Just a quick recap. I started this journey from Mumbai, and from Mumbai, I traveled to Surat. At Surat, from Hazira, we took a ferry to Goga and stayed first night at Bhavnagar. Next day, from Bhavnagar, we visited Salangpur Hanuman Temple, Veerpur Jalaram Bapa Temple, and Khodal Dam, and stayed at Junagadh. We start this vlog 3 from Junagadh. Good morning, friends. It's 8:15 now, and I'm ready. Just need to pack my luggage, and then we hit the roads. So the plan for today is we go to Somnath, but before we go to Somnath, we'll pass through Junagadh, try and find a good place to have breakfast. And there is one place which I want to explore. Let's see how it goes. And we go to Somnath via Sasan Gir, that is a forest area. Let's see what it has to offer. Hopefully not lions. But all set. I'm feeling fresh. I'm feeling good, and having this chana. Yeah. Good for heart, good for energy. Before we have breakfast, which is like 1.5 hours away, I was hungry, so I said, let me eat this. See you on the ride. So we say goodbye to this hotel Greenland. Good hotel, nice rooms, highly recommended. So now we head to Gandhi Chowk in Junagadh. Place Jay Girnar Nylon Khaman. I don't know where exactly it is, but it's like kilometer and a half from Gandhi Chowk. Random idhar pahunch gaya hu. Let's see what we have today. Sucha khawanga. I have ordered for this khaman dokla with chutney, save and all. Let's see how it goes. It's nice. This is called vanilla gathia. Gathia was nice. Now we will head towards Willingdon Dam. Let's see what it is and what it has to offer. So we are entering the gate of Willingdon Dam. Let's see if they allow me. Plastic ma kai nathi. नदी प्लास्टिक में काय भाई वाटर बॉटल पण अच्छा वाटर बॉटल है ना ठीक है इधर ड्रोन उड़ा सकता है क्या ड्रोन उड़ा सकता है नहीं ठीक है फाइन multiple peacocks. There is this temple over here, Jai Datar. What I understand from the locals is both Hindu and Muslims have the same faith over here, and they celebrate together. Now, where do I go for Willingdon Dam? So you can reach the dam on the bike. Fantastic. Beautiful. Now let's hit the road and we go to Sasan Gir. From there we'll go to Somnath. Har Har Mahadev. I expect the ride from Junagadh to Somnath via Sasan Gir will be better than yesterday. I think we will be passing through forest, so expect a lot of shade and will be saved from the harshness of the sun. Just taken a small break, blue break at this cool looking dhaba with khatia and all. So I spent around 30 to 45 minutes over here, took a drone shot, hydrated myself, and I was just enjoying the place over here. Very nice, surrounded by farms, beautiful highway, fantastic. Now let's get going, otherwise we'll be very late. So you can ride from Junagadh to Somnath directly, and you can take the highway and it will take less time. But I have opted to go through Sasan Gir, which may mean that it will be a longer route, will take more time, but I think I'm fine. I just wanted to explore this region. Yeah, it's a nice day, very chill, no rush. Just don't feel like riding beyond 50-60 kilometers per hour. I will touch upon the topic on whether motorcycling is adventure, whether it is inherently risky. The answer to that is yes. Motorcycling by itself is risky. Specifically given the fact that, in car you're protected before any untoward incident happens. There will be a layer of protection which will be available. However, no such protection is available in motorcycle. But having said that, motorcycling to my mind is about
managing your time and space. It's about managing your risks. Is it too risky? I don't think so. I think you can always manage your risk. So what I do is, there are 3 or 4 things that I do. One is, as much as possible, ride at a speed at which I'm comfortable with, given the road conditions, because on certain roads 30-40 can also be risky, and on certain roads, on highways, if you're riding at 30-40, even that's risky. So depending upon the road, you have to manage your speed, but at the same time you have to ensure that you are always in control of the speed and the bike. Second is, I don't change lanes often. Even if I'm changing, I look at left, right. I know it's all basic, but that's the discipline that I have built. It's my second nature. I will not change lanes, whatever it may be. Even if there is a vehicle ahead of me, if I have to brake, I will brake. Unless I have a clear view that there is no one behind me, it's only then when I will change lanes. While not very relevant for highway touring, but in cities, I don't jump signals as much as possible. Sometimes it becomes unavoidable, but that would be, one in 1,000 times that I would jump a signal. So that's point number 3. Yeah, and avoid riding at night. It's riding at night by itself is not dangerous. It's just that the view is not clear. So it's better not to ride at night. I know people who do ride, and it's absolutely okay. It's just that personally I'm not very comfortable with, and therefore I avoid unless I have to. Riding a motorbike or driving a car or walking on the street by itself is risky. It's just about how you manage your risk. So if you are on the fence thinking whether to ride, not to ride, I would highly encourage you to ride. Do small trips, get comfortable with your bike, then gradually move to weekend rides, and once you get comfortable, you can take a plunge. Of course, there are many more people who've done far more adventure, but that's okay. For me, it's about enjoying the moment, enjoying the bike, and at as much less risk as possible. You guys let me know in the comment section whether motorcycling is risky or not. The section where I think the forest section has started, there are 2 boards that I saw which warn about lion crossing. Beautiful quote. A lion's mane is not just a symbol of strength and power. It's a majestic crown earned through years of survival and leadership in the wild. So we have reached Sasan Gir. Now we head towards our hotel in Somnath. The board is showing 40 kilometers, and so is Google. 1 hour from here. Fantastic. Let's go ahead. Har Har Mahadev. I have hit a bad patch. The road is in construction over here. Let it pass. We have reached Somnath. We are staying in this hotel with the Somnath Gateway. Om Namah Shivaya. Har Har Mahadev. Hi. So I had a fantastic lunch, Gujarati thali for the first time in Gujarat on this trip. And now we head towards Somnath Temple to seek divine blessings of Mahadev.
and let's go. So I just had darshan of Somnath Mahadev. Uh, it was fantastic. The temple is nice, and the shivling is so huge. So no mobile, electronics, even car keys, watch, etc. are not allowed in the temple premises. So now I have come to this place called Triveni Sangam. So let's explore this place. They say if you take a dip in this water, all your sins are washed away. So I haven't done many sins, so whatever I have done, I just put my feet in this water, and hopefully my sins will be washed away. Somnath Temple is one of the most important temples in India. Amongst 12 Jyotirlingas in India, Somnath ranks number one. Somnath has been destroyed and rebuilt several times, making it a symbol of faith and resilience. Devotees believe that praying here helps overcome fear, instability, and difficult phases of life. An interesting fact about Somnath: if you were to draw an imaginary line from the temple to South Pole, there is no landmass between the Somnath temple and South Pole, making this place spiritually very, very powerful. So, apart from the main Somnath temple, Somnath has various spiritual sites, but I personally didn't find them interesting. For example, Pandu Gufa is a place where it is believed that Pandavas stayed during their exile. But given that now there are residences of people around this place, it is not well kept and it's not clean. I don't think it's a great idea to come here. The only place which I found worth visiting apart from Somnath Temple and Triveni Sangam is Balka Tirth. So I was mistaken. Gita Mandir is not the place. This is Balka Tirth Mandir, where you have this old 3,000, 5,000 years, thousands of years old tree where Krishna was hit by an arrow on his feet by this guy called Jara. So we'll visit this temple. Now I plan to go to old Somnath temple, and over there is this Somnath trust where they offer prasad. So I plan to take prasad over there. So that is it, guys. Had a wonderful day. Starting from Junagadh, having breakfast at Junagadh, and riding through Sasan Gir road was brilliant. And getting the divine blessings of Somnath Mahadev. So it was a nice day. A bit relaxed. We only rode around, I think, 100 kilometers. And tomorrow we plan to go to Dwarka. Originally, I had planned to stay there for 2 nights, but let me see if we can cut short that by a day. But not yet, not yet decided. We will see how it goes, and it all depends upon what time we reach, how many stops we take, etc., etc. So see you for now. See you tomorrow. Good night.